Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So this is the part 2 of the topic constructions. So let us see the next problem. Draw DE, mark a point A outside DE. Now draw a perpendicular AB to DE from point A. So first thing, what are we going to do here? We are going to draw DE. This is the line you have to draw, and you have to mark a point A outside D. Outside D means you will mark a point over here. So the next step, what are you going to do here? Placing the compass point at point A. Here you will put a compass point over here. This is the compass. And this here, one side there will be a pencil and this will be the other point. So you are going to place the compass point over here. And using any convenient radius, you will draw the arcs. From here, you are going to draw the arcs to cut the lines D at point P and Q. So you can just put any, I just put here P and Q, you can just write any alphabet over here. That is called the variable. So now the next step is that place the compass point at P. So you are going to put the point at here, the compass over here at this point, and taking a distance greater than half. Greater than half of what? This is PQ. So this is half of it. You will take more than half, that is a greater than half over here, and draw an arc on the lower side of D. So you are going to take a distance over here. From then you will take more than half distance from here, and then you will place a compass over here. You will draw the first arc, then you will place a compass over here and draw the other arc. So can you see here? Place the compass point at P and taking a distance greater than half of PQ, draw an arc on the lower side of the line D. Then what will you do? Place the compass point at Q and using the same distance, draw an arc to cut that is at B. So this you can mark as B. So draw the line AB. So what will you do? From this point to here, you are going to draw a line. So from here, what you can see, this is one line and this is one line. So what does this say? That is a perpendicular. So you can say AB is perpendicular to D. So these are the steps what you have to write. So the next problem says that draw a line segment of length 11.5 centimeter into two equal parts geometrically. So now first we will draw a line segment. This we can mark as AB. This we can mark as AB. That will be 11.5 centimeter using a ruler. Then what will you do? Place the compass on A and draw two arcs. So you will place a compass on here and you will draw one arc over here. This from here and this from here you will draw an arc over here, and again here you will draw one arc. Means that is the above and below the line. With what will you do? You will take, how are you going to draw an arc from here to here? You will take more than half. Then you are going to draw an arc, the same distance, taking more than half. You will draw an arc over here. Again, you are going to draw an arc over here. So then you are going to repeat the same step with, you are going to place on B. Again, the same distance. You will draw an arc over here and arc over here. So what happens here when this arc here, whenever you draw an arc, you see that this point, you are going to mark this point and then you are going to draw a line. So what we can say? That you repeat the above step by placing a compass on B such that the arcs from point B intersect the arcs from point A, and then you are going to say that join the intersection points of the arcs and let it intersect line AB at. So this is where it is intersecting. This point is called as C. So we can say the C divides line AB into two equal parts. So hope you got this one. So the next one they said that construct a perpendicular to a line segment of length 9 centimeter from a point on it and 5 centimeter away from it. This is on it and away from one end. So now let us see here. First we are going to draw a line segment. This is AB, which is 9 centimeter. So now actually this is not 9 centimeter exactly. It looks smaller, but you have to take, when you take in your book, you see that you measure 9 centimeter. So take a point P on line segment AB. So you're going to take a point P on line segment AB. Then what will you do? To point P, taking convenient radius, draw semicircle. So from here, you will take some distance and then you will draw a semicircle over here. So mark endpoints of semicircle at X and Y. So these are the endpoints you are going to mark as X and Y. So the next step says that consider XY, then you will keep compass on Y and take more than half. See, this more than half means this is the distance. So half is here. So you will keep the compass over here and you will take more than half somewhere here. From here, you will take more than half on the compass and then take more than half of XY and keeping compass on X, draw an arc. So you are going to take more than half one and you are going to draw an arc with the help of the compass. Same you will do from the same distance you will take from X and you are going to draw an arc. So this is the point and this is the intersection of it. So you are going to draw a line. So what we can say here, see here, keeping compass on X, draw an arc. Again, keeping compass on Y, draw another arc. Mark is at Q and then you are going to join PQ. So now take 5 centimeter and draw an arc on PQ. So which is PQ? This one. So you are going to draw an arc. First you will just randomly draw one line and then you will take from here to here, that should be 5 centimeter, and here you are going to show the marking over here, that is 5 centimeter, and then you will write the Q. So see, now take 5 centimeter and draw an arc on PQ. Using the line segments given in the figure, construct the following, and this is a line, this one, L, and this is M. So what did they say? Line segment equal to L plus M. So this is L and this is M, means you are going to join together. So what will you do? Measure line segment L. So this you are going to measure. Draw exactly of the same length. So you are going to draw exactly M of the, L of the same length. Then what will you do? Starting from the end point of L. This is the ending, right? This is the start point and this is the end point. So you will start from M and then you will go on to measure this M because they said L plus M. So you are going to add this both. So once you are drawn over here and then you are going to, from this the end point, see, starting from the end point of L, draw the line segment in the same direction. The resulting line segment to the end point of M is equal to M. So from here to here, this is the same as this distance. Line segment equal to L minus N. So now you are going to measure the line segment L. This is L. And draw exactly of the same length. Then what will you do? From the end point of L, from here, from this end point, you will draw the line segment M in the opposite direction. So first thing you are going to measure this M and you will come in the opposite direction. So this shows that here the M. So by this way we have completed this exercise. So please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get a notification of the other parts of this chapter and many more. Thank you.